Welcome to this video, everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to print an array using PHP. So the first thing that I want you to do is type in foreach, all right? So foreach, all right? And then open two parentheses. Then we are going to type the name of the array variable. So you see we have ages here, for example, and cars. Let's go with cars for now. So I'm going to say $cars as, all right? $cars as values, all right, values, and then you open two curly braces. So right here between these two curly braces we will echo the values, all right, so $values. And now if we save this and view it, you'll notice that we have all of the array here, but you see there is no spacing between them, so we'll have to add a space between them. And the easiest way to do this is to add a dot, all right, followed by two quotation marks, and then right here we can use HTML tags. So I'm gonna use the and NBSP colon or semicolon. You see right now this will add a space after each value. So if I go to file, save, and if I refresh my PHP page, you'll notice that we have all of the values and there are spaces between each of the items, all right, and you can do whatever you want. So let's say that we want to stack them. I can say br just like that to add a break. So that's an HTML tag. And now if I refresh my page, you'll notice that my values are stacked. So I hope this video was helpful, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.